Ever since Samsung's Chinese competitors started churning out foldable smartphones that are able to fully close flat, we've been waiting anxiously for the Korean company to match them. And just as many rumors over the past few months had anticipated, it looks like the wait will finally be over next week. Ahead of the event, Samsung has released a teaser video to give us a glimpse of the color options of its next flagship clamshell foldable and its redesigned hinge. The Galaxy Flip 5 appears to have no gap between its folding halves when the phone is folded. This upgrade could be the biggest distinction between the new model and the current Galaxy Flip 4. Via a teaser video, Samsung gave a clear look at the new Galaxy Flip 5. The company has posted the teasers with the Join the Flip Side hashtag. It shows the handset in cream, lavender, and mint shades with a familiar clamshell design that folds horizontally in half of the cover display that lets users finish tasks without unfolding the phone. As expected, following multiple leaks and rumors, the Galaxy Flip 5 appears to have a new hinge design to eliminate the gap between both halves while folding. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is also expected to get a new water drop-style hinge that would allow the device to fold flat without any gap at the hinge. This might also let the phone stay flat when opened. We can all collectively breathe a huge sigh of relief now, right? As you can see, the teaser is all about a cryptic symbol that's created from folding a bunch of Flip 5s together at various angles. And it's not the only teaser like this. There are a few more different symbols peppered throughout Samsung India's Twitter account. The company wants you to suggest meanings for the symbols, so go do that if you want to. As you may know already, the Flip 5 won't be the only device making its debut at the July 26 event. It will be joined by the Galaxy Z Fold 5, the Galaxy Watch 6 series, and the Galaxy Tab S9 family. So how do you like this new teaser of the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 5? Is it gonna be the best-selling foldable ever? Let us know it down below in the comment section, and for more Galaxy updates, check out our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.